Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks for jumping back into another video. I hope you're doing well today. We're going to look at Vechain, kind of a follow-up video to the previous Vechain analysis that we looked at. And we can see we've pumped a whopping 11.1% on that daily time frame, so it's looking extremely bullish. We can see on the 30 hours, we're now only down 17.5%. On the 2 weeks, we're up 23.5%. On the 7 days, we're up 23%. On the 24 hours, we're up 11%. We are looking bullish. Market cap 3.53 billion, and the circulating supply is 66.7 billion. That's quite a lot. So let's not forget, we've got this extremely bullish news still on the horizon, announcing the VUSD, the Web3 DeFi sustainability objectives, and more. So the VUSD is basically the Vechain Force first stablecoin. So this is really, really good. It's going to increase a lot of transactional volume, and having its first native stablecoin means it will soon go live on the mainnet, allowing a whole new era for the Vechain for users. So it's super good for the ecosystem and super good for the long-term growth. So let's take a look at those charts. But before we do, smash that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below, and make sure you hop into that Discord channel, which is also in the description, completely free to join for now. So let's take a look at it. Vechain is basically done exactly what we thought it would do, so we're pretty happy about that. For those that got involved within this consolidation phase, this undervaluation range, of course we had the next support level over at 0.35. Thankfully we didn't go down that low. It looks like we're just getting the impulse, so really it's nothing to get too excited about. We have sort of broken this big diagonal resistance, but if we were to factor in the volatility there, we still haven't quite yet. That would be around the 0.0068 mark. Now on the daily time frame, I'm not seeing any bearish divergence with the price. It actually looks really healthy, and this pump is pretty healthy as well. Lots of green candles over that 20-day moving average, but we're lacking volume. That's one thing that I have noticed. And if we look here, as you can see, we're just producing the high, low, high, and it looks like really we're getting more and more consolidation. On the hourly time frame, that will look like a descending triangle right here where we broke to the upside, and now we're getting a bit of a double top formation. So it's possible that we can still break out to the upside once again. You can see there's a lot of support along here, and it's like we've almost got a bit of a bull flag. So if we were to break out of this particular bull flag position, we would be coming up to the 0.0072 mark, but I think the next key area of resistance is going to be that 0.074. so wait to see the consolidation here, because we could still come back down very small amounts. On this particular 1 hour time frame, it looks like we could come back down to that 0.61 mark nice and slowly, maybe retest that 20-day moving average once again before moving to the upside. So yeah, it looks really, really bullish, very strong. Vechain still very bullish on the long term. If I zoom out here, I think we'll be back to $0.1 in the next few weeks. Quite hard to really predict exactly where it's going to go, but I do think that Vechain is extremely undervalued at this particular point of price point. You know, it looks really bullish. We're getting that high, 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 low, and if we were to just marry up these particular highs and lows, it does show that we are on track to potentially target that 0.075, even though this is a bit of a rising wedge. But it'd be nice to break through to 0.74, and then from that position, I imagine we will come down, retest this support before moving a bit higher. Now that's the ideal trajectory that we want to follow. I think that is pretty realistic with Vechain, very undervalued, like I say. And if we zoom back out and just look at some of the historical data, the last time we had a huge capitulation, we bounced back up 169%. Now if we were to do something similar, let's say not 160, let's say 100%, we'd come back up to the $0.1 price level. So if this is the start of a new uptrend, this is still effectively quite a good time to get in. Not financial advice, of course, always do your own research, but we are probably halfway through the pump, halfway through the impulse, because of course the best position to go long would have been around here. But it looks like we're getting that consolidate here. If we consolidate here as well, we'll be making our way up to $0.075 in the very near future. So flip this back into support. This is still a resistance. And yeah, things looking very, very tasty for Vechain right now. So that's about a wrap, guys. The long-term target is $0.1 here, with a chance of coming back down to retest at 0.57 support level. If you're new here, do smash the subscribe button, leave a comment, give a thumbs up to the video. Make sure you are joining that Discord, which is pretty much right here. Got about 70 people strong right now. And if you want to become a patron, massive thank you, by the way, to the patrons. You can do so for the price of a coffee. Literally, you receive one-on-one messaging, trading alerts. You will also receive premium Discord, an ebook right here, and it's literally priced for coffee as well, because the Discord will not be public forever. So make sure you get that early entry whenever you can before it's fully locked. Anyway, guys, thank you very much, and see you in the next one.